Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Now today's edition of Tailor Made Beauty Room is a Temu haul. So I'm really excited to show you some summer t-shirts that I purchased from Temu. The weather's definitely getting a lot warmer here in the UK, so I thought, you know what, I really need some t-shirts, and I absolutely love white t-shirts, so I absolutely brought so many of them. So yeah, we'll get into that in a moment, but I also wanted to show you something else that I've purchased recently, which was this gorgeous Coach charm. I'm a big fan of Coach. I'm really getting into the brand Coach. I've not brought any bags yet, but I do own a couple of wallets from there, and I absolutely fell in love with this gorgeous cherry charm. Absolutely stunning. The camera's really not doing this any justice. It's not really showing you how nice these cherries are. Let me bring it a little bit closer to see if you can actually see. I don't know if that's really picking up. It's sort of like glittery inside, but yeah, really nice. Really pleased to have found this. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you that. It comes in a really cute little box too. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get into this Temu t-shirt haul video. So just like in my Shein haul video, what I'm going to do is quickly show you the t-shirts up close, and then I will do a try on for you. So the first t-shirt is this gorgeous C'est la vie, that's life, for those who don't speak French. C'est la vie Paris t-shirt. I think it's really cute, and yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing this. So the next t-shirt, take this out of the packaging, is this one. I think this is so gorgeous, and you'll see as I open up the packaging, you'll see that I have various t-shirts just like this, but in different colours. But I thought that was so pretty for this spring summer. Here we go with the next one. This one, I really like this. They actually do this one in different colours, but I just absolutely love the grey, because I have a lot of black t-shirts and white t-shirts in this collection. I kind of wanted a grey one, and this looks really nice with grey leggings or grey jeans. It really does. It's really pretty. One of my favourites. My next t-shirt is this London t-shirt. I'll be going there in a few weeks actually, and I just thought I'd share that with you. Really nice. The quality of the cotton on this t-shirt, it just feels so luxe. I can't really explain it, but it's very nice. I will try and put prices, by the way, in the descriptions for all of these items if I can find them, either in the description or up on the screen. Here is the t-shirt I showed you earlier, but in the red colour, as you can see, full of love hearts. They're just so pretty. By the way, I won't be ironing these t-shirts when I do my try on haul, just to give you the heads up. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is a cute one. This is a t-shirt with some wine and glasses on the front, which I think is super duper cute. You see that? Really nice. Can't wait. This t-shirt I can't wait to try on. Now this is the red one. Sorry, this is the white one with the red love hearts. And I really like this one because all of the love hearts are red. The red t-shirt and the black t-shirt that I have in a similar design to this, the love hearts are multi-coloured, but this one is just all red. Look at that. Don't you think that's so pretty? I love it. I really love it. So yeah, looking forward to trying that on. Here I have another C'est la vie Paris t-shirt, and this is slightly off-white. It's almost like a creamy white, but it Looks really good quality. Again, it's really, really nice quality fabric. So yeah, really, really looking forward to trying that on. And my last t-shirt, I think I got 9 t-shirts from Temu. So let me take this one out of the packaging. And here we have Milano at Italy. I don't know why I tried to do that accent, but yes, Milano, Italy. So yeah, really, really looking forward to trying this on. So let's roll right in to the try on haul. Okay, so the first t-shirt that I'm going to be sharing with you is this C'est La Vie t-shirt. It's really, really nice. I've paired it with, actually underneath this, I'm actually wearing my Chicago Bulls outfit, which I purchased from TK Maxx. So apologies if you can see through the t-shirt, because this t-shirt is a tiny bit see-through. It's not too bad, but a little bit see-through. So I've decided just to pair it with a bag, a casual bag. Well, not that you can call this bag casual, but it is a very much a casual look. I've also got on my DKNY shoes, which I got from TK Maxx. I think they're really, really nice. So yeah, that's the first t-shirt. Okay, so the next t-shirt is another white t-shirt, really nice. It says Milano, Italy on the front. It's very nice. I don't know what fabric it is that they're using. I believe these t-shirts are cotton, but it just feels so smooth, almost silky like. But it's really, really nice quality. And I've just paired that with one of my latest bags. And I just think this is a really cute little outfit. You can really dress this up with a nice bag or dress it down, because like I said, you can easily rock these with jeans, leggings, whatever you want, cargos. But yeah, really, really feeling this t-shirt. Okay, so now I've decided to add a little pop of colour in this bright, vibrant red t-shirt. I think it's really cute. I absolutely adore the love hearts on the front. I've paired it with some red and black Jordan ones, because obviously the red goes together so nicely. So yeah, I think it looks like a really cute little outfit. Okay, so my next t-shirt is a London t-shirt, established 47 AD England. I think that's so funny, it's so cute. I've paired it with another cute little bag, and I just think it's just such an easy breezy spring summer outfit. So yeah, 100% feeling this t-shirt. Okay, so this top is actually, believe it or not, my favourite top. Even though all of the other tops are really, really nice and cute, I love the bare, sheer simplicity of this top. What I love about it is you can use it casually with an outfit like this. As you can see, I've paired it with my DKNY shoes again, but you could very, very easily wear these with sandals or heels, or even with as a gym outfit. I think it's really quite versatile. So yeah, 100% enjoy rocking this outfit. Okay, so this is a really, really fun t-shirt, particularly for people who love wine like I do. I think it's a really fun concept. It's very colourful and bright, so that's another reason why I like this. I've paired it with this little bag that I purchased from Amazon, because I felt that the bow or twilly, whatever you want to call it, goes really, really well with this colourway. So yeah, really going to enjoy rocking this out with my friends. So as you can see, I'm going to continue my love affair with these Love Heart t-shirts. I think this is really, really pretty. The stark black background with the gorgeous, vibrant colours of the Love Hearts on the front. I think it just makes for a really, really nice, cute combination. And of course, I've paired it with a casual wallet on a chain bag, and I just think it looks great. Again, I'm really, really pleased to be rocking another Love Heart t-shirt. I think it's so nice. I've again decided to pair it with my bag from Amazon, because I think that the colourway on the twilly looks really nice with the colourway on this. What I absolutely love about my Temu haul though is that the fact that I've given you lots of different looks, because you can change every look, not just with simply by changing your t-shirt, but actually by changing your accessory too. So the more you mix and match, the more you basically look like you have an entire brand new closet. So yeah, I really enjoyed this t-shirt. So yeah, another one of my favorites. Okay, so for my last look, it's an all black look. I've got on this gorgeous C'est La Vie t-shirt, C'est La Vie Paris t-shirt. I think it looks really super duper cute, and I absolutely adore this monochrome look, particularly in the summer, because in the summertime most people tend to wear bright colours or pastel colours, but you still got to rock black from time to time. It's a staple in your wardrobe. I think it looks cool. You can rock this with black jeans also. I did think about putting jeans on, but I just couldn't be bothered to be perfectly honest with you. But yeah, that's all there is for this video today. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Oh, by the way, I do have a couple of collabs coming up soon, a couple of bag collabs coming up soon, so please stay tuned for that. But for now, ta-ta for now.